Have you ever wondered what really happens inside a woman's body from the very first moment sperm meets egg? How does a single cell turn into a fully formed baby? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the incredible journey of life from conception to delivery. It all begins with sexual intercourse. When sperm enters the vagina, it starts an incredible journey. But did you know it's not as simple as swimming straight to the egg? Sperm move at an average rate of just 1 to 4 millimeters per minute. So, what challenges do you think these tiny cells face along the way? During ovulation, the cervical mucus changes to become more welcoming to sperm, creating a pathway through the cervix and into the uterus. But even with this help, many sperm don't make it. The female immune system can recognize sperm as foreign invaders and attack them. Only the strongest survive. Can you imagine the odds each sperm faces on this journey? Inside the uterus, a subtle pumping motion helps propel sperm toward the egg. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia create a sweeping motion, guiding them along. Meanwhile, the egg releases enzymes that assist sperm in reaching it. This coordination is astonishing. But have you ever thought about how many sperm actually make it to the egg? Once fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg, now called a zygote, begins traveling down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. This journey takes roughly 6 to 12 days. Upon reaching the uterus, the zygote undergoes implantation, attaching to the uterine lining or endometrium. But what exactly happens during implantation, and why is it so crucial for pregnancy? The outer layer of the developing embryo, called the trophoblast, starts multiplying. These cells merge into a multinucleate structure called the syncytiotrophoblast, which aggressively invades the uterine wall. It also secretes a hormone called HCG, known as the pregnancy hormone. Do you know why HCG is so important for early pregnancy? HCG maintains the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone to stop the menstrual cycle and support the embryo. It's also what pregnancy tests detect. But HCG doesn't stop there. It helps the mother's immune system tolerate the embryo, preventing it from being recognized as foreign tissue. Have you ever wondered why some women experience morning sickness during early pregnancy? Elevated HCG levels play a role in this. By the second week of development, the syncytiotrophoblast starts forming spaces called lacunae. These fuse into a network filled with maternal blood from the damaged endometrium. Finger-like projections called chorionic villi extend like roots into this pool of maternal blood. Can you imagine this tiny network acting as the lifeline between mother and baby? This is where the early utero-placental circulation begins. Nutrients and oxygen from maternal blood diffuse into fetal blood, while waste products move in the opposite direction. Interestingly, maternal and fetal blood never mix directly. Why do you think the body has designed it this way? The umbilical cord then connects the fetus to the placenta. It transports oxygen and nutrients to the baby while removing waste. The cord is also rich in stem cells, capable of forming different types of cells in the body. Did you know these stem cells could one day be used for medical treatments? On average, the cord measures 55 to 60 centimeters. By 12 weeks, the placenta is fully formed and fully functional. It becomes much more than just a temporary organ. It acts as the ultimate bridge between mother and baby. The placenta facilitates the exchange of nutrients, ensuring the fetus receives essential substances like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids for growth. At the same time, it removes waste products, including carbon dioxide and urea, from the fetal blood, keeping the developing baby's environment clean and safe. But that's not all. The placenta is also a powerful hormone-producing factory, secreting progesterone, estrogen, and other hormones that support pregnancy and prepare the mother's body for labor. It even plays a critical role in immune protection, preventing the mother's immune system from attacking the fetus as if it were a foreign body. The placenta also acts like a selective filter, blocking harmful substances like certain toxins, pathogens, and drugs from reaching the baby, while regulating temperature to create an optimal environment for development. Isn't it fascinating that a single organ performs all these life support functions simultaneously, essentially acting like the fetus's own protective ecosystem? As pregnancy progresses, the placenta's structure and blood vessels continue to mature. These vessels grow more intricate and efficient, ensuring the fetus receives a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients even as it grows rapidly. By the third trimester, the placenta has become a highly specialized organ, capable of adapting to the fetus's changing needs. Near the end of pregnancy, the placenta produces prostaglandins, hormones that play a crucial role in preparing the body for labor. These hormones help soften and thin the cervix in a process called cervical ripening, and they trigger the initial uterine contractions that start labor. Did you know that without these carefully timed signals from the placenta, labor could be significantly delayed or complicated? During labor, the placenta continues its essential work. Even as uterine contractions temporarily reduce blood flow, The placenta ensures the baby still receives sufficient oxygen and nutrients. This finely tuned system allows the baby to stay safe during one of the most physically demanding processes in life. After birth, the placenta naturally begins detaching from the uterine wall. Doctors may gently assist to ensure the entire placenta is expelled safely, a process often called the afterbirth. But have you ever wondered why it's called that? It's because although the baby has been born, this organ still has a final, crucial role to complete. Interestingly, some people practice placentophagy, consuming the placenta after birth in hopes of boosting mood, energy, or milk production. But is this really safe? The placenta can contain bacteria, viruses, or environmental toxins, and scientific evidence supporting any claimed benefits is limited. Improper preparation could lead to contamination and infection. So, while it might sound intriguing, it's worth asking, are the potential benefits truly worth the risks? From the first moment a sperm reaches an egg to the fully functional placenta supporting a growing baby, the journey of life is nothing short of extraordinary. Each stage of pregnancy involves a delicate, intricate balance of hormones, immune responses, and physiological changes. Did you know that even a slight disruption in this balance can affect the course of pregnancy, demonstrating just how finely tuned this system is? Pregnancy truly highlights the incredible coordination between multiple systems in the body. HCG signals the start of pregnancy, the placenta ensures nutrient and waste exchange while providing immune protection, and the umbilical cord serves as a lifeline for the fetus. Even after birth, the placenta's delivery marks the final step in a remarkable journey that began weeks earlier. Can you imagine all of this happening simultaneously inside the womb, completely out of sight, yet perfectly orchestrated? Every stage is a testament to the complexity, resilience, and intelligence of the human body. A silent but profound miracle that brings life into the world. This journey from conception to delivery isn't just science. It's a story of resilience, adaptation, and harmony. Each step, from implantation to the development of the uteroplacental circulation, demonstrates how life is sustained and nurtured in the most intricate ways. Have you ever stopped to think about how every human being started this way? So, the next time you see a newborn, remember, a remarkable journey began long before birth, guided by biology, hormones, and the incredible design of the human body. From the tiniest sperm to a fully formed placenta, life unfolds through a precise and awe-inspiring process. Isn't it amazing how nature orchestrates every detail to create life? The journey from conception to birth is nothing short of miraculous. If you found this fascinating, hit like and subscribe for more amazing insights into the science of life, and let us know in the comments, what part of this journey amazed you the most?